I was never a car guy. Then I realized it was never about the cars.
Silicon code, AI robots, watch it unfold. Costs fall, factories grow, scale feed scale, and the flywheel goes. Cars go electric, trucks do too. Ships are changing, planes break through. Robotaxis hit the street, air taxis overhead. Autonomous trucks run while we sleep. No driver in the cab ahead. Bots without drivers, boats without crews. Robots in factories that never snooze. One curve hits another, then another appears. The EV is the tip, everything behind it is the spear. Tip of the spear. The future's already here. Energy, transport, labor, food, everything we build is being renewed. Tip of the spear. The old world disappears. What looks like just a car is a revolution shifting gears. Solar on roofs, batteries on grids, electric trucks hauling what diesel once did. Self-driving haulers tearing through mines, robot farms running 24/7. Time meat without livestock, milk without cows, food grown from cells. It's happening now. Robots in warehouses, robots at home, cooking and cleaning, working alone. Machines that can listen, machines that can see, machines that can reason and learn what they need. First they assisted us, now they replace the task, and every year there are fewer things they can't. The horse wasn't broken, the car was better. The horse wasn't banned, the world moved on. Now the machine can drive, the machine can dig, the machine can fly, the machine can build. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't need sleep, and every generation gets better and cheap. First we electrified the machine, then we connected it, then we taught it to see, then we taught it to think, then we taught it to learn. Now we're teaching it to operate and improve itself. Tip of the spear. Tip of the spear. The future's already here. Cars, trucks, planes, machines, solar batteries, robotics, AI, from fuel to electrons, from labor to code. A new industrial system is taking control. The EV is the tip, everything behind it is the spear. It was never about the cars. They're just where the disruption first became clear.